Okay, so this is going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you how to save data for all my lecture videos so that you can have them on your phone.
So first of all, you go to your YouTube app and search for my channel, Mrs. Ezine. Just scroll down, open it up, then you select the lecture notes you want to download. So this is it. Just pause it, then go to download, and you have medium and you have low. If you want to save MB, you can choose low, or if you want it in a higher one like 54, because it has lecture notes, you can select that so that you can actually see the wordings, and you go ahead and press download. Now you can view it in your downloads on the YouTube app. Okay, so to check your settings in case it's not downloading, you can go and remove it from download over Wi-Fi. Okay, if it's not like that, if it's not download over Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and download it while your data is still on. Okay, so if you want to access it directly from your home page, you can just click on library, then you see your downloads, or you see your playlist of videos, and it's there. It has been downloaded. Now you can switch off your data and you can watch it at any time. Let me go ahead and close it, then open it again, so you can see it there. Now you can click on it and you can watch it at any time that you want, as many times as you want. Now the other one that I downloaded using a smaller MB, you can see that you can't really see the words in it, so you should make sure that your network is clear and before you download it. So let me go ahead to show you the difference when you use this, when your network is clear and you download in the medium format. So you can see there, very easy, and it's very simple to do.
So you can see that was very simple to do. Okay, so you can watch them as many times as you want as you study, and you can also jot down the notes. Take your time to jot, though I'll also send you the lecture notes by the end of this course, okay, so that you can also have them on your phone. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my lecture videos.